Hey everyone, this is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC giving you a closer look at the Tusk grab handles for the Can-Am Maverick X3. All right everyone, thanks for checking in. So for you Can-Am Maverick X3 owners out there, we've got a cool accessory from Tusk. It's the grab handles. These are made from high quality aluminum. They're a black anodized finish. I think they look awesome when you have these mounted up. And a couple very important purposes they serve. First of all, when you're out there getting rowdy, you need a good, strong location to hold on to help secure the driver and the passenger. Maybe you're doing some rock crawling, you just need an extra location to grab onto, so great for that. But also, as we all know, with the X3s, they sit really low to the ground and a little bit harder to get out of than some of the other side-by-sides that are out there. So this just gives you another great location to grab onto and get yourself out a little bit easier, or even getting in as well. So great accessory to have from Tusk. Again, that is the grab handle. If you have questions or comments, want to get those answered, so make sure to leave those below. To grab yours today, click on the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Orders of $75 ship free. These are machine specific, so it's easy. When you're on the product page, enter the year, make, and model. You're going to be good to go. I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain. We'll see you on the trails.